Hey everyone, it's Brittany and check out this cool nightlight I got from Amazon. I love that I can use it as a motion sensor or something that stays on all night. But I'm going to show you these functions. It comes with the charger, so whenever you're ready to charge it, you'll use this port here. It also comes with the remote, and it comes with a back piece that is magnetic. So say you want to stick it on your wall, on your refrigerator, you can have this as your base. And then it also has this sticky flap on the back so that when you want to place it in your bathroom or anywhere in your home, you can take it off and apply it on the wall and it'll stay forever. It also comes with some extra ones just in case it's not sticky enough. So now we're going to go to the functions. There are a couple buttons here. I'm going to turn it on by pressing the power button once. And now that it's on, I can press it again if I want to change the mode, which now that this blinks, you'll see that when you pass by it, it's censored. So whenever you're walking and it's dark in the hall, if you're home, when you walk past it, it'll sense you moving and then it'll turn on. So now we're turning it off by pressing this power button again, and now it's off. But now I'm going to turn it back on, and I'm going to show you that with this, you can change the different colors. Say you want it warm or bright or even warmer, you can use this button to change it. And then if you want to dim the light, you can or brighten it, you can hold this button down. And then to dim it, you can hold this button down even more. You can get as low as you like. And then if you want to, you can use the remote. You can press the off button to turn it off, the on button to turn it on. You can use the different colors here. And then you can also turn up the brightness as bright as you want it to be. And then you can dim it as low as you want to be. And then you can have it on for 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds. And that's also a button on the actual sensor as well, the night light. So you can use the remote, you can use the functions on the actual sensor, and it has 2000 AH as your car grade, 3C power, and lithium battery. So the brightest life is about 110 days, and you can activate it 10 times a day. And then the darkest life is 330 days, which can also be activated 10 times a day. So the battery capacity is built in with 2000 mAh, and it lasts up for at least 110 days. I love this new light and I highly recommend. So I've placed the night light in the bathroom. Let's see if it works with the motion sensor. And it does. As you can see, I placed it in my bathroom here. And when I walk in, the night light is automatically on. So this is perfect for when it's nighttime and maybe you're just walking throughout the house, going to the restroom. As you can see, the night light will be on based on the sensor.